Once we started going over everything about rapping, and then he actually started showing us like in person, I started understanding how to get like the corners done and like little simple things that were kind of hard for me. It was more hands-on experience, so it was better and easier for me to learn. My name's David. I'm from El Centro, California, but I live here in San Diego. I'm here to learn the rap courses.
My name is Haroon, and I live in San Diego. It's been 5 years, and recently I heard about rapping cars, and I kind of felt interested to join in. I'm
trying to start my own business. It's pretty interesting. It seems pretty fun. And when I tried it out, it was pretty fun. I tried my own roof and it didn't work out. I kind of wanted to just learn more because I wanted to get more into it.
I am a car guy, I love cars and I do see mods and everything, but I didn't have any experience with the rapping and the things that I learned here. If you come here the first day, you don't have to worry about anything. Just everyone is learning, they do make mistakes and everything. All the practice, it is kind of satisfying, to do the hoods and the roof. Connor explained it and everything, and the way that he shows you tricks and everything makes it like really easy for you.
It really helped me, so I can learn what to do, what not to do, what kind of material to use. Once we started going over everything about rapping, and then he actually started showing us like in person, everything started getting more simple. I started understanding how to get like the corners done and like little simple things that were kind of hard for me. He said like the cheap raps, they don't really stick. They tend to like just end up lifting off and you're just gonna struggle with the cheap ones compared to the good one, the good raps, good material. You won't have no problem. You can lift it back up if you need to and you can lay it back down. Practicing on the hood helped us so I wouldn't scratch the paint and I could be more lighter.
For us, four people, was amazing. We were working 2 at a time, with partners.
Things that I would kind of have to look at first to see them do, they would do it and they were doing good, and that's how I kind of saw what I would have to do. Connor explained all the techniques of what to do. It kind of made everything else more simple to do. So like whenever we had to cut, he just made sure that we cut a little bit extra, like left a little extra so it won't be the paint showing. It's more simple, won't need as much heat. It was more hands-on experience, so it was better and easier for me to learn.
Well, everyone starts it mainly from their garages, so this is what I'm gonna do, get a start from the garage. And by the time when I see that I have enough customers and everything, then probably we hop into a shop.
I'm gonna practice on my own vehicles first, and then I'm gonna move on and start working on my friends, a few other people that I know.
So again, my name is Haroon, and I live in San Diego. And about this class, whoever trying to take it would be happy at the end because they are learning something that might help them in the future, or it is some sort of fun for everyone.
My name's David, and I would suggest you should take this rap class. It helps you a lot, and it'll benefit you in the long run.